Okay, this is currently in the Entegra launch, working the Jayco terrain and the REVEL vans. We quit making these covers for many years because of the installation process and stuff. We've simplified that, and as long as you don't mind the magnets or the metal plates there, you know, this works great. I've had mine on for over 3 years. I don't take them off for any reason because you can't look out the back window when you're driving and see anything. So I just leave them up, and it's just up to you if the metal plates bother you or not. So there you are, overlandgearguy.com. Okay, so I can feel the magnet right here, so I'm just going to mark right there, and then at the end right there, and then I just pull it back, and I can feel that it's right there. It just happens to be on top of that line, so that's where we're going to glue the first plate. So basically, it doesn't matter what side you got. Just make sure they're clean. I already put alcohol on the window and got all the stuff off there. So, and then these plates. So I'm just gonna glue. Comes out pretty generously. So be careful with that. Kind of see there. Ooh. Don't get it on your fingers. So. That right there between those lines. Just hold it for just a little bit. Yeah, definitely try not to get the glue on the outside. I'm gonna have to wipe that off before I put the covers up, but and then just take a little bit of alcohol, just a little rubbing alcohol, and then just kind of wipe off any excess that got there. And that just takes the chalk off right there, and then we'll just repeat that. So we got a couple more here, a couple here, and then one here, here, and here. We're just going to repeat the same thing, and we'll put a few more on there and then kind of let you look at what we got there. Okay, so we got all the tabs in place, glued in place. I've cleaned it up a little bit. You have to use either some like carbon choke cleaner or some acetone in order to get it all done up. But I've got most of it. I got to run back and get a little more, but I just thought I'd kind of show you what it is going to look like when you put it on. So kind of an easy way to put these magnets in place. So I just took a piece of chalk and just chalked above where it's going. Woo, you can see it there and there. So that's just one option.